In this video, we're diving into how to tune up FastestVPN for maximum speed. Have you ever connected to a VPN only to see your download rates plummet and your games lag? What's up everyone, my name's Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel we cut through the fluff to help you get the performance online that you deserve. Today we'll explore how to pick the best server, choose the right protocol, and adjust settings for the fastest possible connection. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or just browsing, these tips will help you avoid frustration and make the most of your subscription. Understanding the factors that affect VPN speed. So before tweaking settings, it's helpful to understand what influences speed. A VPN adds a layer of encryption and routing, which inevitably introduces some overhead. But the impact varies widely based on several factors. Server distance. Data traveling across continents will take longer. Connecting to a server close to you reduces latency and speed loss. Server load. If a server is crowded, it slows down. VPN apps sometimes show a load percentage or ping. Lower numbers are better here. Protocol. Different VPN protocols handle encryption and data transport differently. WireGuard tends to be the fastest, while OpenVPN is more established but slower. Encryption strength. Higher encryption, like AES 256, is more secure but slightly slower than lighter options like Cha-Cha 20. Some protocols allow you to choose. Device performance. Older phones or laptops may struggle with heavy encryption. A fast processor can handle VPN overhead more efficiently. Internet quality. If your base internet connection is unstable or slow, a VPN can't magically improve it. Starting with a solid connection helps. By understanding these elements, you'll be better equipped to diagnose speed issues and apply the right fixes. Choosing the best server location. The importance of proximity. When it comes to server location, closer is usually better. Think of data like a physical package. The further it has to travel, the longer it takes. A server in your own country or region will typically offer the best speeds for everyday browsing and streaming. For example, if you're in California, connecting to a server in Los Angeles or San Francisco will be faster than one in London. When distance matters less. Now, there are times when distance isn't the only factor. If you're trying to access region-locked content, then you must choose a server in the desired country. In these cases, select a server with low load indicators. Many apps display a bar or percentage next to each server. Test multiple cities. One city's server might be overloaded while another is clear. Avoid highly congested servers at peak times. Streaming services like US Netflix may be busiest in the evening. Try earlier in the day. Specialized servers. Some VPN providers, including FastestVPN, label servers for specific tasks, like streaming or peer-to-peer. These servers may have optimized routing or bandwidth for certain activities. If you're trying to torrent or stream, then choose these over general servers. Keep in mind that the number of specialized servers may be limited, so they can fill up quickly. Picking the right protocol. So FastestVPN offers several protocols. WireGuard, IPv2/IPsec, OpenVPN UDP, and sometimes OpenVPN TCP. Each has its strengths. WireGuard is modern, lightweight, and generally the fastest. It can retain up to 85 to 95% of your base speed. It uses the Cha-Cha 20 cipher, which is efficient on both mobile and desktop. Choose this for streaming, gaming, and just general use. IPv2/IPsec reconnects quickly when switching networks, like moving from Wi-Fi to cellular. It's a good choice for mobile devices, and it offers a balance of speed and security. OpenVPN UDP is secure and widely compatible. UDP is faster than TCP, but can be more easily blocked by restrictive networks. Use it if WireGuard isn't available or doesn't work. OpenVPN TCP is the most reliable across restrictive networks because it mimics regular web traffic on port 443. However, it's slower due to error correction. Use it only if other protocols fail or if you need maximum compatibility. How to change protocols. Inside the FastestVPN app, look for a protocol or connection settings section. You may see an automatic option which lets the app choose. While automatic selection is convenient, it sometimes picks a slower protocol. So try manually selecting WireGuard. If you experience instability, then test IPv2/IPsec, then OpenVPN UDP. Take note of the speeds that you get with each. Optimizing your device and network. Use wired connections when possible. If you're on a desktop or laptop, connect via Ethernet rather than Wi-Fi. Wired connections are less prone to interference and offer more stable speeds. Wi-Fi congestion caused by multiple devices or thick walls can significantly slow down your connection. Close bandwidth heavy applications. Having multiple streaming services, down downloads or online games running at once divides your bandwidth. So close unused applications, pause large downloads, and keep background updates in check. This frees up resources for your VPN connection and improves overall speed. Leverage split tunneling. Split tunneling allows you to route specific traffic through the VPN while letting other data bypass it. This is especially useful if you only need the VPN for streaming or banking. For example, you can send your web browser through the VPN, but let your gaming client use your local connection for lower latency. Check if FastestVPN offers split tunneling on your device. If it does, enable it and select which apps should go through the VPN tunnel. Adjust encryption levels. Some protocols allow you to choose between AES 128, AES 256, or CHA-20 encryption. Generally, AES 256 is the most secure, but it's slightly slower. If speed is your top priority and you're not dealing with highly sensitive data, then you might choose a lighter cipher. WireGuard uses CHA-20 by default, which strikes a good balance. Experiment to see if lower encryption improves performance without compromising your needs. Enable hardware acceleration. On devices that support it, enable hardware acceleration in the VPN settings. This offloads cryptographic operations to your CPU's or GPU's hardware, improving speed and efficiency. If you don't see this option, it may be automatically enabled. Running speed tests and benchmarking. Baseline your connection. Before tuning settings, run a baseline speed test without the VPN. Visit a trusted speed test website and record your download and upload speeds, as well as ping. This gives you a point of reference. Next, connect to FastestVPN using different servers and protocols and test each configuration. Note the results in a spreadsheet or a document to see which combination gives you the best performance. Understand speed retention. A good VPN should retain most of your base speed. WireGuard typically retains 85 to 95%, while IPv2 and OpenVPN may drop more. If you notice a significant drop like 50% or more, then try another protocol or server. Keep in mind that connecting across continents will always reduce speed more than connecting locally. Monitor latency for gaming. If you're a gamer, focus on ping rather than just download speed. Lower ping means less lag. During your speed tests, pay attention to the latency metrics. Choose the protocol and server combination that offers the lowest ping for your location. You might sacrifice a few megabits per second in download speed if it results in smoother gameplay. Dealing with inconsistent speeds. Despite your best efforts, speeds may still fluctuate. So here's what you can do. Switch servers regularly. Server loads change throughout the day. If you notice a slowdown, disconnect and reconnect to the same server or a nearby one. Restart the VPN app. Sometimes the app needs a fresh start to clear internal cache or memory leaks. Reboot your device and router. A simple reboot can resolve network congestion or memory issues that slow down your connection. Change DNS settings. Some users find improved speeds by using third-party DNS services like Google 8.8.8.8 or Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 instead of the default DNS provided by the ISP or VPN. Test at different times. Internet speeds vary throughout the day. If you're testing during peak hours, then try again during off-peak times to get more accurate measure of the VPN's potential. FastestVPN's apps, quirks, and workarounds. Windows app stability. Some users have reported that the Windows version of the FastestVPN app occasionally fails to connect or crashes. If you're on Windows and encounter this, try running the app as an administrator. You can also reinstall the app to ensure that you have the latest version. If the problem persists, consider using FastestVPN's browser extension or mobile app as a temporary solution while contacting support. Limited server network. FastestVPN has fewer servers than some larger providers. This means that during peak times, you may struggle to find a low-load server near you. If local servers are consistently slow, then try a neighboring country or region with lower load. Keep an eye on the server list for newly added locations. Providers often expand their networks over time. Automatic protocol selection. The app's auto protocol selection sometimes chooses OpenVPN even when WireGuard is available. If your speeds are poor on auto, then manually select the protocol you want. Make a note of which protocol was chosen by auto before switching. This helps you understand what the app was trying to do. Mobile optimization. On mobile devices, battery life and data usage are concerns. So use IPv2/IPsec or WireGuard for better efficiency. Disable features like automatic Wi-Fi protection if you don't need them. These features keep the VPN running constantly and slow down your connection or drain your battery. So if you want to get started with FastestVPN, we've got the link for you down in the description below. They're currently running a lifetime special deal where you can get access to the FastestVPN for $40. And that lifetime subscription is cheaper than 1 year to many other VPNs. So if you want to get started, the link's down in the description below. So you don't have to live with sluggish connections when using FastestVPN. By understanding the factors that affect speed, speed, choosing the right server and protocol, optimizing your device settings, and running regular tests, you can get the performance that you need for streaming, gaming, and everyday browsing. Just remember that no VPN can make a poor internet connection fast, but the right configuration can preserve most of your bandwidth. So be patient, experiment with different options, and don't hesitate to ask your provider for help. So if you want to get started with FastestVPN, we've got that link for you down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we do earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the channel, we cover everything from VPNs and cybersecurity to how to stay safe online and detailed product comparisons, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.